for today's video. So, I am Miss Nikki.
I am Francine.
And bibigay kami ng bagong content para sa inyo. And ang ating topic for today is...
more about highlights.
Yes, highlights. Pero, ang
With
twist...
the twist.
ang twist natin is...
Curly hair. Natural curly hair siya.
And our model for today is also someone from the industry, of course, of Binibining Pilipinas. Isa siyang creative director for Binibining Pilipinas. So, kakaiba din because we've never featured sa live or sa YouTube namin ang kinky curly hair, tapos male pa.
Yes.
So I hope this video will give you a little knowledge on how you can use fusion products for that type of hair. Tsaka,
Yung placement, yung technique, lalo pag, di ba sometimes pag kulot, nahihirapan tayo mag-high-res kasi mahirap mag-weaving kasi kulot siya. But, it's more easy talaga compare sa unat na hair. Kasi, yung mga pagkakamali hindi mo papansin. Siya mga gano'n.
Yes. Kaya,
mas madali niya talaga siya.
Kaya, dyan lang kayo. Stay tuned and wait for the video. But of course, before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So just click the subscribe button down below. And of course, the notification bell button. And our other social media accounts will be all linked down below. So dyan lang kayo and we'll see you
Watch out.
later. Did you see kung paano nag-glow yung face?
Niya, and then kung paano na-transform from curly hair into a more defined curls.
Yeah.
Especially, mas na-emphasize yung curls niya sa highlights niya. Nag-bigay siya ng body and texture.
So, si Sir January, so he was good enough and kind enough to be featured on our channel today. Especially na, syempre with his background, of course, in sa industry, talagang lagi na hawakan.
Yes, kasi beauty industry siya eh, di ba? So, syempre, kailangan perfect lagi yung aura mo, yung image mo. So, yung color, tapos yung technique na is perfect for someone who is professional sa mga works, gano'n. And then also very low maintenance, still very manly pa rin yung dating.
Yes.
That's too girly, gano'n. So, pwede siya sa mga mga clients natin na mga lalaki na kulot or long hair,
Yeah.
something changed, hindi masyado maging feminine yung aura. So yung technique na yun, the color suits to them. And of course, maganda siya sa skin tone niya kasi pag sa mga, kunyari, sa mga moreno natin ng mga clients, diba syempre takot sila mag-blonde. Takot din sila mag-ash. Kasi pag morena is parang nakakatanda or agad din ganun. Or pag super blonde naman siya, nakakaitim. So ganung color na ginamit namin, which is the 8.11 and then the 9.0, nakaka-create siya ng something cool tone yet may touch of warm tone yung colors niya.
So, kung nakita niyo din yung technique na ginawa ni Miss Francine Nawala, it was actually very fast.
Easy.
And very easy. Kasi, dati na rin naman nagpa-bleach si Sir January ng hair. And then, nag-fade na.
Bumaba na.
Yes.
Parang
So,
more touch.
hindi na masyadong ginalaw ni Miss Francine yung ends ng hair ni Sir January.
Yes.
Mas nag-focus po siya sa roots and sa
Saka sa
ends.
mga parts na hindi na siya nalagyan. Kasi yung dati niyang highlight is more on a babyless, mas maliliit. So, hindi masyadong define. At ang goal talaga niyan, goal namin, is pag-brighten yung hair niya, magmukha siyang foreigner ang peg. Pero, hindi po full bleach. Very low maintenance. And of course, lagi siya sa dagat. So, pag ganung color kasi, mas nai-emphasize, especially pag kahit sa mga female na mga clients natin, di ba, may mag-beach dyan, especially malapit na mag-beach after December, summer na. Yung mga ganung color, very low maintenance, very live-in look talaga siya. So, perfect yun. Technique, of course.
And of course, for maintenance, you can
Yes.
use this, our Fusion Restoring Hair Serum. This will also protect your hair from humidity and heat. Especially, kung...
Lagi ka sa arawan.
Yes, tulad ni Sir, lagi siya nasa arawan. And then, of course,
Sa mga shoots
sa
niya.
mga shoots, so mainit yung ilaw.
Outdoor lagi. Kahit sa ilaw din, sa studio.
So this is the best one that you can use. This is available,
Yes,
of
for
course,
protection.
For protection, for styling.
Yes, lahat.
Bakado siya. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We did enjoy creating this with Sir January. Thank you so much, Sir, for
Yes, thank you so much for giving us chance talaga na ma-features kami sa aming YouTube channel.
Yes, and to work with
Yes.
someone like you, it was an honor. And we hope to work with you again soon.
Sooner.
Yes.
So, marami pang projects.
So thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
guys.
much.
And then, ano pa ba?
Yes, yung mga... Kung may gusto kayong i-feature pa namin, huwag na siguro mga celebrities, pero hirap. Mag-comment na. Gusto ko sila makita dun sa oh my God, try namin po, ha? Baka pwede ba baka mamaya gusto niyo yung mga Korean actors, sila hindi kaya yun. Meron kami Korean look-alike dito, pero behind the scenes.
So feature lang ng creations ang kaya.
Oo, wag na po ba kami magsabi, pwede man si ganito, ganyan.
Kaya, comment down below na lang yung mga gusto niyo pa namin feature.
Creations, colors, techniques, gagawin po namin.
Nagawa namin. And of course, please don't forget to like our
Social
Facebook.
media.
Yes, and our Instagram.
Yes,
and then
Instagram.
subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up, a like, a comment, a share, and everything. And we appreciate you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I am Miss Nikki.
I am Francine.
We'll see you again.
We'll see you again. Bye.
Bye. So feel the fusion.
Make a switch.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.